Hey guys, it's game day, and guess what? I procrastinated. I have nothing to serve. So I'm going to be making some quick and easy meatball sliders. Got me a can of Grands here, and I'll be using marinara. Um, these things we feed our kids, our string cheese, mozzarella, and you can use the store-bought marinara here, and we're going to put these together. Ooh, that was quick. Oh, that's the one thing you don't want to happen, okay? In some instances. So you're going to be taking your biscuit and you're going to separate it, putting the one down in. What we'll be doing is putting one in, and when we put the meatball and mozzarella and sauce in, then we're going to put the other one on top. But they separate really easy. I do have the butter Grands here, because who don't like butter, okay? Butter ball. Just get those put down in there. I do have a non-stick muffin pan, but I sprayed it a little bit too, just to make sure that we didn't stick. So here we go in with the meatballs. I'm just putting one meatball in each one. You can use the store-bought meatballs, or I'll link our recipe to meatballs at the end of this if you guys are game and want to if you guys are game and want to try your meatballs from scratch.
Pun intended.
Pun intended. We'll put this big old piece of mozzarella cheese that we're going to try to get to sit right on top of that meatball. We do want it to stay in place if it will, but if it won't when we're eating it, who's going to know? Okay, now we have our marinara. We're going to put that on. I lost my spoon. We are using homemade marinara, but again, you can get what's in the store and just put, whoops, there it went. It fell off. The mozzarella fell off, but we're going to say that's okay. Put that mozzarella over top of it. Maybe you need to hold your cheese a little bit when you're pouring the mozzarella. I mean, the sauce on top of the mozzarella. Just like that. Let's give a little bit more on that one. So then you get your biscuits again, start separating. So we're going to put a top on these. Press it down in there. Over top of your meatball. You see how easy this will be to put it together for game day, or for poker night, or if you're just getting having some friends over. Maybe it's maybe you have a prayer meeting, Sunday school meeting at home. This will work for all of it. Okay, so now I have the biscuits on there. I'm just making sure I get them. Do my best to make sure that I touch biscuit on both sides here. Okay, we're going to brush them. What I have here is a mixture of butter, olive oil, and parsley and garlic.
But she don't like butter.
Right?
Everything's better with butter.
Everything's better with butter. These are going to go in a preheated oven at 375 on the middle rack. We're going to start out and start watching them at approximately 18 minutes. And we do want to make sure it gets done. Remember, we got a stuffed bread here, so we want to make sure it gets done all the way through. Putting a little bit of Italian seasoning on here. You can put whatever you want to on yours. In the oven we go. Okay, guys, these were in the oven about 22 minutes, and they have cooled just a little. They're still very hot, but look how beautiful they are. And you guys seen how quick these came together. Again, these are the meatball sliders. We're going to cut into one of these babies, okay? Which one y'all want to cut? Which one you want to cut, Ron? This one? Yeah, let's look at this one. Okay. Of course, you can pick this up with your hands and just eat it. Look at that. Okay, finger time. Look. That is delicious looking. Got a little bit of cheese coming there. Can't lose that. Dipping this in that marinara. Mm, delicious, quick, easy appetizer for game day, for poker night, whatever, or just for the kiddos to have when they get in after school. Give us a thumbs up. The recipe will be down in the description, and subscribe. Also hit that bell for notifications so that you get all of our videos when they come out. Happy game day.
I guess we can say score.
Score! Touchdown!